Are you fed up with Create React App, multiple errors, and the ability, or rather lack thereof, to configure your Webpack configuration? Well, not to worry, because I have created my own non-Create React App template. And here's how you can use it. First step, open up wherever you want to create your project. So let me just zoom in here. I'm in my vids folder, and you want to do git clone https://github.com/student10/react template. Welcome to another episode of watching me misspell stuff. Or you can just come here, copy the link, and paste it. Next up, you want to add space and type in your project name. So I'm just going to call this example React project. It is now going to clone it. You just gotta wait a bit. And it has completed. So now you want to change the directory into your example React template. You can just type cd and whatever your project name is. And here you want to install all your packages. So in my case, I'm using Yarn. If you will look inside the directory, it will say that there is a Yarn lock file. So we do have to use Yarn. No npm, sorry. Yarn. I can't spell stuff. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No modules folder. Okay, let's try that again. I think I have fixed the issue. So again, we're gonna do git clone https://github.com. Just the link to the repository. So text student10/react template example. I'm going to the example folder, and hopefully now if I'm on Yarn, everything should work. There was a problem with one of the dependencies I was using. I think it's not compatible with the current version of React. There we go, finished. So the final step is to run yarn dev, or I think it's yarn start. I can't remember. Yeah, it's yarn start. This is compiled. Yes, so Webpack has compiled everything into this one main.js file, and if you want to open it, all you want to do is open the index.html file instead of the example repo file. Now, if you don't want to start up a live server, you can use Webpack dev server, or what I like to do is open the project up in VS Code. It's just going to take a bit to start up here. Using one of the extensions I have installed called Live Server, I can open this with Live Server, and it'll open up in my web browser, and it'll live refresh. So it has started. See there, server started, and there we go. Our app is there, and if I go into src components and app.js, there's a Hello World app loaded up with Sass. Very minimal template here, and you will now have access to your Webpack and Babel config files. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.